Hi folks, I have in here with me a cool power bank. I don't know how you pronounce this one. I think it's Valore or maybe Valore. Anyway, I believe that in Spanish that means value, or yeah, in Filipino it's the same as well, Valore. And it has this detachable micro USB charging cable, and it also comes with this 8-pin or lightning adapter for iPhone and other Apple gadgets, and the Type-C, yeah, USB there. And value for this gadget is 34.90 Singapore dollar. Going at the back, yeah, micro USB input 5 volts 2 amps, and output is 2 amps as well. And for Type-C outputs is the same. Charging time is about 5 hours using 2 amps 5 volts. And yeah, you can see there. So let's open the box. Yeah, there you go. And the power bank now. Okay, so this is the charging cable, detachable, and these are the two adapters. I took out the two adapters there. Inside you'll have the standard micro USB and USB charging cable, and you have this cool pouch. Cool thing about this power bank, it has a suction cap at the end. That's why it's called Octopus. So it goes like this. Yep, there. Yep, and it sucks like an octopus. Yeah, it's like a built-in power bank. I mean, a body power bank. Two adapters attaches to the standard micro USB. Let me show you. Yeah, lightning adapter there, and the Type-C micro USB there. That's how it works. Yeah, a power bank body to this iPhone. You can see that it's putting off the iPhone. There's only one input, and this is the standard micro USB here. This is the Type-C output and the standard USB output. So all of them are rated as 2 amps. Of course, the input depends on your charger. I plugged the micro USB charging cable there, and it's charging now. So this is the cool detachable micro USB charging cable that fits into here. Of course, there's the other one. Yeah, so you have all these 3 adapters. It goes with it, plus of course the standard USB cable. Overall impression, it's well built. I think the rating is pretty good at 8,000 milliampere hour. So for your 3,000 milliampere hour gadgets, it should be able to charge it about 2 times. And packaging is very nice. Yeah, see there, it's packaging, and plus of course you have this pouch. It fits not only the power bank itself, but including your phone. There you go. So that's an iPhone 6 Plus, and it fits well. So nice. I didn't buy this gadget. Somebody gave it to me as a gift. Yeah, so yeah, cool. It's really nice for travel. Yeah, kind of handy. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.